So how do we actually connect our PlayStation 4 here, as you can see, to our AOC monitor, as you can see here. So you can see I've already done this without any problems here whatsoever. So you can see it works perfect here. And what I had to do firstly, by the way, is that I had to, obviously you have to power on the PlayStation 4 by getting the power cable inserted right here, but also you need to get the HDMI cable that you should have gotten when you purchased the AOC monitor here, and you need to plug it in the back here, as you can see here on the back on your PlayStation 4. And the other end needs to go right here on your AOC monitor. Hopefully you can see okay, but it's right here, you need to plug it in. So basically just plug it in here. And also don't forget the power cable, by the way, for AOC, and just plug it into like a power source somewhere. And once you have done all of that, then what you also need to do most likely is to find this, I'm just gonna show you here, this power button right here. So if I click on it here, so you can see there's like a symbol for the power button right here. So if I click on the power button, you can see this light will turn on and the monitor will turn on as well. And basically that is exactly how to actually connect your PlayStation 4 here to your AOC monitor.